Welcome to Camp Easy RV's YouTube channel, where we make it easy to RV. This is the 2026 NeXus Wraith 34F. Gives you powerful performance and a comfortable, family-friendly layout. On the exterior, you'll see bold, full-body paint and plenty of storage compartments, so you can bring along all your camping gear. Stepping into the interior, to one side are the reclining chairs, set up for relaxing after a long day. Next to that is the kitchen table, and it also turns into an extra sleeping spot when you need more room for guests. Right there with it is the TV with cabinets above. Across from this area is the loft bunk. The cab provides a comfortable truck-like driving experience. Moving into the kitchen, you have an oven with cabinet space around it for your pots, pans, and baking dishes. Above that is the microwave, with more cabinet space next to it, keeping your dishes and everyday items within easy reach. Then you come to the sink area, with a deep sink and cabinet space below for cleaning supplies and kitchen essentials, plus a handy flip-up table at the end of the countertop to extend your prep space when you need it. Above the sink, there's more cabinet space for plates, cups, and pantry items. Next is the fridge, giving you plenty of room for groceries, and beside it, a pantry for dry goods and snacks. In the hallway leading to the rear, you get lots of additional storage cabinets, perfect for linens, coats, and extra supplies. Across from that hallway storage is the restroom, with a toilet, a sink area with cabinet space below, and a mirror above with storage behind it for toiletries and everyday items, plus a shower to complete a fully featured bathroom. At the back is the bedroom, featuring a comfortable bed with cabinets above, so you can keep personal items and extra bedding close at hand. Across from the bed is a TV set in the center of a giant cabinet wall, surrounded by lots of drawers and storage, giving you a ton of space for clothes, linens, and personal belongings. Don't forget to download our app so you can browse inventory, schedule visits, and keep up with the latest arrivals anytime, right from your phone. We also offer extended care for life. So be sure to check out our website or contact us for more details on how that can help protect your RV investment for the long haul.